Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. Today I am checking into Secrets Moxche and I am so excited to be doing this. I have been here before, last April, and we took a tour and I knew I wanted to come back and stay. So I am so excited. There's two resorts here, Secrets Moxche and Impressions. This is an adult only luxury resort. So you will have to follow along and see what I show you. Thanks so much for following along, and I do appreciate. I've just checked into my room on the 5th floor, and it is absolutely breathtaking. King-size bed, lamps on either side with pin lights. It's extremely spacious. TV, overhead fan, little sofa, full-length mirror, coffee station, and a well-stocked mini bar, Coke, Amstel, water, juices. There's a mini pad there to connect you to the goings on at the resort so you can check and see the happenings and the events. Air conditioning. This is the balcony. There's closet space with robes and slippers. Place where you can put your luggage. And here is, this is a secret door, so if you order room service, they don't need to disturb you. They just slide it through here and you open it up on your end. And a safe. Gorgeous bathroom. 2 sinks. Amenities, lit makeup mirror, lots of towels, a huge shower, waterfall shower head. This is beautiful. And of course, a toilet. Now to me, this is luxury. Can you imagine spending 4, 5, 6, 7 days in this room? Oh, 24-hour room service, so many restaurants to choose from. This is truly a luxury stay. Secrets Moxche. Right now what you're looking at is Secrets, but the preferred club. And that is Impressions, which is an elevated experience. Market Cafe. Let's see what they have to offer. This is the wine boutique where they have wine tasting. So let's go in and have a little peek. This is Jose, and he is the sommelier. And you can come into this room and enjoy wine tasting. It's $100 per person, which is so reasonable, and taste wine. So what else does it offer?
Hola, hola. I'm Jose. I'm your sommelier. We have every day and every night before the dinner wine tasting, un mezcal or tequila tasting too. The cost for the wine tasting is $100 for a person. It is included for tasting a cheese plate for a pairing dinner.
Oh,
it's like a 1 hour. The time for the sommelier talking about the appellation, region, grape, the beautiful wine. It's an amazing experience here.
I can imagine it's a really great experience. Thank you, Jose. I so appreciate meeting you. And look at the lovely space that he works. Isn't this beautiful? So if you're wanting to book some wine tasting, let me know so I can do this for you.